Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to download a mechanical keyboard. So here is the link. I will give you this link in the description. You can download this apps from that link. Okay. Now here I'm going to show you what is mechanical keyboards. Their specification. Okay. Base features. Simple red customization. Dark mode for use in night. Click klaxon effect just like real mechanical keyboard. Dynamic feedback response. LED indicators for caps number. Power. RGB backlight effect. You know RGB red, green, blue. 16 million, 16 million color RGB rainbow wave effect. Perfect match for your gaming phones like Razer, Xiaomi, Source, etc. Modifier keys, shift, number lock for symbol, instantly accessible accentuation, characters, extra large keyboard and landscape mode and tablets look. Okay, click on here, download. Okay, so now click here on install. This install. Okay, here install. After clicking on this installation button, your Gmail account will be affair. You can enter your email and their password, and accordingly on the process it will be installed automatically. Okay, now I am going to show you how to use this. Okay, so come here mechanical keyboard. Okay, first of all setup one setting. Okay, sorry for it. Setup one. You have managed the keyboard here, so on it. Okay, it's enable. Okay, here's step 2. Input method from G keyboard to English. Okay, check again. Okay, here you can also mechanical click sounds. You must be check this vibration. Check this according to your uh, choice. You can select and deselect the options. Backlight. Okay, I like backlight, so I check this box. Dark mode. Okay, I like dark mode because my mobile is black, so some kind of matching. Backlight effect, breathing wave. Okay, you can select bottom name, and here keyboard size, so I prefer normal. Okay, not medium. So let's check it. Oh man, amazing, cool. So let's check another style. Hmm, no breathing. Oof, nice, but I like prefer to wave and just ignore dark mode. Let's see what's now. Oh nice man, cool. Okay, thank you. Share, like and subscribe if you like this video.